It only takes a pro license and 4 minutes to create a custom GPT. In this video, I'll walk you through the 3 simple steps to doing that. Then I'll show you how to do it in a more advanced way to improve the likelihood of people going from your GPT to your actual website. And finally, we'll zoom out to see what opportunities this presents big picture for builders like you and me. Let's go. Step 1, get Chat GPT Plus and click around to get to the screen where you're creating a new GPT. Then you give it a prompt. So this one I asked for some prompts and I just copied and pasted it in here. I'm creating a musician assistant. It's going to think for a little bit. It's going to ask you some questions. You're going to give it answers. On the right, you can see the preview. It even creates an icon for you and pre-populates some of the prompts that users can give. You go back and forth for a little bit and it's already working and ready to go. So it's just printing out like some chord progressions here. Then step 3, click save, confirm, boom. So let's be real. Getting users to go to your site after they discover your GPT is not great right now. However, there are some simple things you can do to make it easier for them. So I'm going to create another GPT and do those things right now. Come on. All right, you know the drill by now. I'm giving it some prompts. This one is just a GPT that says no, and maybe it sends a picture that says no, so it's very stupid. But I added a $13 custom domain to Vercel, which is my hosting platform, and GPT, and I'll show you the point of doing this. And then I customized the website to give it a little more of my brand. This is all boilerplate that comes with Vercel. And I created a favicon using an actually useful GPT called Favicon Wizard, exported it, converted it, deployed it, boom. So now all this is so I have a live landing page with a domain that I connected to my builder profile here so that when someone uses the answer is no, they would see my profile and the URL and maybe go to my site, boom. So yeah, this is really easy to do. That's why there's already over 3 million and 160,000 public GPTs. It's also why, like mine, most of them aren't actually useful and don't keep users around. My prediction is that there will be so much volume in terms of these GPTs that don't hook into other systems or data that it'll be even harder to stand out going forward. However, the builders who use either custom data, hard to find data, or unique workflows, or serve a very specific, narrow use case will have a lot easier time standing out. Golf GPT here is a great example. They only have 10,000 conversations, but they're already number 5 on the lifestyle leaderboard. I think these style of products will be great if you want to make an extra 4 to 5 figures a month. However, if you're looking for more scale, I think we should be thinking about the store as a lead gen opportunity rather than directly contributing to a lot of revenue. Whether it's Chrome extensions or Slack bots, companies have been using these marketplaces to get users to try their products at a lower barrier of entry and then providing value and converting them later in ways that they couldn't if they had to find their site or find out about them organically. I predict that the biggest winners on the GPT store will be companies who already have unique data and workflows and APIs that are using the store for lead gen. Case in point are Canva and Veed, the design and video platform, which have each been on the top 10 for a long time now. I think regular builders like us should follow their lead by staying focused on the use case, the users, the unique data, and then just building the GPT on top of it after we already have a lot of value to provide.